hello. This is Mary. How you doing, Gary?
I'm good.
I'm glad I connected with you. Look, I was calling about the house you own here in Chattanooga. Just wanted to
Uh huh.
see if perhaps you have any intention of selling this year or
What house?
renovating.
What
Yeah?
what house are you talking about?
Oh, you have one here in LA.
It's
Okay,
a
okay. So you have several ones there.
it's a duplex.
Oh, it's a duplex.
Yes.
Okay. And you have plans to sell that duplex?
I would sell it for 300,000.
300. Okay. And what's the condition of the duplex?
It's in good condition. It's rented.
Awesome, awesome. All right. And what you even consider selling it? I mean, besides me calling you, of course, and the money.
The money. That's it.
That's it. Okay. You sound young. Like,
Do what? I sound young.
yeah. How long you own this property for?
How long have I had it for? Let's see. I'm thinking about 20, 25 years.
Wow. So you must be around 50, 40.
No, I'm around 75.
Wow, that's unexpected. You really sound like 40 years old. Well, take the compliment.
No, matter of fact, I'll be 76 in a few days.
All
Yeah,
right.
May the 11th, my birthday. That's Mother's Day.
Wow. What a blessing for your family. Love it. Well, all right. So that's the only reason you will sell for, like, probably to retire. You don't want to deal with the property anymore.
I'm already retired. I've been retired for 20 years.
Wow, what a blessing. I'm trying to
Yes.
hit that goal too.
Uh huh. Uh huh.
Trying to retire young. Okay, so you'd like to get at least 300,000, and
Yes.
around how much is the property bringing in income?
Let's see. One side, we've got it rented cheap because my wife likes to rent it cheap so she can keep her renters in there.
Okay.
And so let's see. One is let's see. I'm thinking it's 750, and one side is
Mm,
875.
875. Okay. And with the best price, if we pay closing costs, I mean, we want to keep it for a rental too. Probably we're not gonna even touch the tenants. We're gonna let them stay maybe.
Right. You were kind of breaking up there.
I'm sorry. Can you hear me better?
Yes.
Yeah, I was, probably we would like to keep it as a rental too.
Hmm.
We're an investors around. Probably we only have like 10 years around, like in comparison to you. But with that best price for someone who's not gonna bother you, probably we're gonna buy it cash. I'm more close, realtors involved.
Well, no real estate agent or anything like that. So, I mean, I don't have it listed or anything. So, I just make a price because I get all kind of calls all the time on it.
Gotcha. Would that be the best price we could get cash if you buy it cash?
Cash, 300,000.
All right, all right.
Yeah.
Okay, let me check really quick to see if I can be even close to that. Okay, just give me 1 second. Don't hang up, please. Hang up. I'm almost done. Okay, just give me one
Okay.
second here. All right, so I'm checking around the numbers. The property doesn't need any repairs, correct?
Right.
Okay, and there's no mortgage on the property.
No.
Okay. I have two offers for you, right? I have
Okay.
one that probably you're gonna hate it, but don't hang up. Cash will have to be between 160, 170. But I also have an option where we can get you around 200,000 and we can close it like in probably 30 days, 60 days. And it
Uh,
doesn't matter if there's
uh,
any repairs needed.
I think you're kind of insulting me.
No, I'm not trying to insult you at all. So I can see why you wouldn't take it. To be quite honest, I was just
Right.
using a calculator.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it should be I know the property is rented cheap, but it should be rented for at least $1,000 a month each side.
Yeah, that's what
Because
happens.
it's two bedroom, one bath. Each side. It's got two garages underneath the house.
Yeah.
And
No, and I understand. Probably that's why the calculator was giving me a lower offer because of the rent.
Yeah.
But why we don't do this? Do you have pictures of the property about the condition?
No, but you can probably pull it up.
I mean, but online you never find the updated pictures. You only find sometimes like the street view. So we also have an option because we work with a realtor in the office. I believe you can get the 300,000. In the market, we can get you a buyer within 2 months. Would you be interested if we can get you market value for the property?
No, I'm not going to put it on the market or anything.
What if you don't have to show the property because of the tenants? We only.
No, I don't do that. So if somebody wants to come up with 300,000, they can probably get it. But that's be it.
Yeah, he's interested. He understands better this Chattanooga market because he's local. Do you think you're able to move forward if we send you a purchase agreement today?
Move forward for 300,000?
Yeah, cash.
He's agreeing to 300,000.
I mean, that's what you wanted, right?
That's what I'm asking.
Okay. So, would you be able to move forward with a purchase agreement if we send it to you today?
I would think so.
Okay.
I've got to okay it with my wife.
Okay. What's a good email to send you the purchase agreement so you guys can review it?
Well, you could send it to, let's see, it's Brown Gary at epb5.com.
Okay. I'll send it, in a few minutes. If you can review it with her today, probably me or my partner Brett can call you back tomorrow and see if you guys have any questions.
Okay. Sounds good.
All right. My partner's name is and we also have a brother named, so if they call you, they are my family, okay?
Okay. The name's going to be on the agreement?
The name of the agreement is going to be our company. It's going to be Sell for Cash, LLC.
Okay.
All right, Mr. Gary. Yeah. So we'll stay in touch with you and call you back tomorrow, okay?
Okay. Thanks.
God bless you.